Hello everyone, get ready for hilarious fails, unexpected reactions, and perfectly timed funny moments from everyday life. Some scenes may surprise you, while others will be impossible not to laugh at. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the fun. His friend was standing there completely unprepared for that surprise return.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay. The momentum kept carrying her forward, and the landing disappeared almost immediately. The lean went too far back, and her legs could not hold the position anymore. He had not even started pedaling, and the bike already called it a day. She aimed for a smooth ride, then the bushes became the final destination. He tried to save it with a few shaky steps, and the stumble kept getting worse.
Bruh.
Okay. His friend saw the perfect chance and gave him one sneaky little push. Okay.
Okay, straight up. One.
He started running like that chicken had personally challenged him to a race. She tried to keep moving upward while the board slowly turned into a surprise ramp. She definitely got caught off guard, yet it seemed like she was okay after the fall.
Dude!
She was ready for a smooth party trick, then got a full surprise face wash. The second it hit, the drink shot straight upward and came right back at him.
Because that is breaking.
Luckily, it looked more like a soaking surprise than a serious accident, and he seemed okay afterward. Luckily, it looked more chaotic than harmful, and he seemed to be okay afterward. The moment she dropped, her clothes got caught, and the tree held her in the most awkward way. That confident step turned into an instant reminder to never trust tall grass too much. She tried to hold the pose, while the edge gave her almost no space to recover. One second he was enjoying the ride, and the next he was part of the crash landing.
That's true.
I went for the jump over the sign and failed, but thankfully he wasn't hurt. It looked like the perfect romantic dip, right up until he let go and turned it into a surprise pool drop. The net suddenly gave way, and their peaceful little moment dropped instantly. The fall looked sudden, though luckily it seemed to end without anything serious. That shortcut turned into a fast reminder that railings are not made for climbing. The fall came fast, though it looked like she got through it without anything serious.
She ain't squirting.
She's dancing like a stripper.
This is just a recreational activity, and they're wearing life jackets. What looked like a simple ride quickly turned into an unexpected water landing.
Bruh.
5 minutes later.
It is a clear reminder not to copy moves like this without proper space, training, and safety control. That flip started as a simple practice move and turned into a surprise kick for the spotter. Luckily, the chaos looked worse than it was, and everyone seemed to come out okay. I was trying to hold his position at the edge, but his balance slipped away at the worst moment. Hopefully, it stayed under control because that funny idea looked one bump away from becoming a full spill.
We're gonna snap the band.
No, you're not.
What's that? Oh boy.
Eat it.
Yeah, here now?
Yeah, I got our windows trimmed for a reason. Come on, eat
Okay,
it.
okay.
The tires finally caught traction and the mud returned the favor by blasting everywhere. She reached for the ball, then ended up sliding across the grass instead. He put all his faith in the rope, and the rope let him down, but he's fine.
Oh my gosh, what do I do? Oh my gosh, what do I...
The ball hit above, bounced back, and came straight down toward him. That seated moment turned into a sudden backward fall before she could recover. Thanks for watching. Which funny moment made you laugh the most? Share your favorite scene in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more hilarious videos.